Hey everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. Let's kick things off by understanding what is a boilerplate code. Boilerplate code refers to sections of code that can be repeated in multiple places with little or no alteration. It is a standard, generic, or common piece of code. Boilerplate code often includes the basic structure, setup, or configuration necessary for a particular type of software component or project. The way how do we write boilerplate code in HTML, there is a shortcut for it. In your VS Code, just press exclamatory mark and click on that, or press tab. This should generate your HTML boilerplate code. While boilerplate code can be convenient for getting started, it is essential for the developers to understand that code they are using and customizing, they have to use it and customize it to their specific needs to avoid unnecessary complexity or unintended consequences.